Howdy everybody, good morning. So today is Wednesday, something other, 2020. And
Today's the
7th, yep, 27th. We got our internet company coming out to install internet today in the shop, finally.
And it is pouring down rain.
And it is a beautiful day.
beautiful.
And they're coming to put internet in. They couldn't get out here till now because of the pandemic. So we're grateful to be able to get internet finally here. We've been running off a hotspot, some kind of satellite internet, so I don't know, we'll see. So today we're gonna be doing a giveaway. We're gonna announce that. We ain't doing the giveaway today, we're announcing the giveaway today on this video.
Also, we'll show the new cup we got.
Yep, we're gonna be showing everything we're giving away and how to enter, how to win, and we're also gonna go over, I was supposed to do it yesterday, but I forgot. So today we're going to go over our custom SKUs and how you put them in on your eBay listings and how to do them, or how we do them.
And we got a list.
Right. So y'all stick with us.
Also, whirlpool.
Whirlpool.
Do we not say it right?
That's for you, Richard. Alrighty, guys and gals. So real quick, I want to go over our SKU system we use. And like I say, it's not the best. You adapt it how you need to adapt it for your business model. But this is what's working for us right now. So maybe you can take a piece of this and apply it to your own business. So what we got going on is we got these shelves. Like this is G shelf. So we got G1, 2, 3, 4. H shelf, H1, 2, 3, 4. And so on and so forth. That's just for our basic shelf. On our barrel shelves, we just got them numbered. A1, B1, C1, D1, E1, because this is shelf 1 and this is barrel B, C, and so forth. Okay, so on our actual shelves here, like this is M2, this is the M shelf, so we got M2, M1, M3, M4, M5, and then over there we got the L shelf, N, and O shelf. Same thing. Okay, and then what we do is these shelves are so small, okay, it's like K1. We for each of these in our custom SKU form, we'll just put K1, and we know that item's on that shelf. So say we sell this, we know it's on K1. We already know what we sold, so it's easy to find. Same thing with the barrels, B1, so we come over here and look in B1 till we find the item. However, if you got more than one item that's close to the same, like, let me see if I can find something. I think we sold most of them. For instance, like we have these right here, okay? We had a bunch of these pins. So we had them bagged up in here. This is C1, so that's the barrel number. And this is lot 16, so in the custom SKU we'd put C1 16. The other pins would be like C1 15, C1 14, and so forth. That way we knew the exact one we needed, because we didn't want to risk pulling the wrong item and sending out the wrong item. So you can individually label your stuff as far as that goes in the barrels or on the shelves if you wanted to. But we just do it basically off the shelf and barrel. Just a general, because we can find it at that point once we know it's on this shelf or that shelf. So, you may ask yourself, well, how do I do a custom SKU? Well, I'm going to show you. Okay, so we got these Crown Royal bags we're listing. I done got them photoed, done got the listing made, bagged up, and ready to go. Okay. So on your eBay app, let me see if I can get y'all to see this. So on the eBay app right here, can y'all see this? So right, and it's going to be the same on your computer as well. This item specifics, okay? Click on item specific. In the item specifics, you're going to see this little thing right here. It says custom SKU. Can y'all see that? So basically, we're going to think up of where we want to put these. These, we're going to throw them up on N2. So where these are going to go. Okay, she's saying no. So these are going to go, we got to think where we're going to put them. We're going to put them in N1B, which is that barrel right there, that blue one. So I'm going to make up a little paper tag here. We just use these 30 up labels, okay? They're little sticky things. Cut them down the middle, and we're going to put N1B, just like that. And then we're going to try to peel this thing off with one hand. Oh, she gonna help me. Thank you, Jesus. And then we're just gonna put that right on this bag. Okay, so it's labeled N1B. See that there?
Hold it up.
So this is labeled N1B now. And in your custom SKU right here, whether you list on the computer or the mobile, click at custom SKU and put N1B, just like that. Done. Done. So it's saved in there, N1B. And then you just list it as normal. And then when this item sells, so when your item sells, it's going to come up. And then when you're looking at the item, see that? It's going to have this little custom label, and that's going to be your custom SKU. So it says N2. When these Crown Royal bags sell, to say N1B, I know exactly where it's at. And then essentially I'll just walk over here to this barrel, and if it sells in a year from now, I don't have to trust or remember where it's at. It'll pop up N1B, and then I know it's in that barrel. As I said, hopefully that'll help you out a little bit. That's how you do custom SKUs. If you sell a lot of like items, like a bunch of the same, look close to the same things, it would probably be good. Or if you're getting a bunch of inventory and you can't rely on your memory anymore to know exactly which barrel it's in or what shelf it's on, takes 2 seconds to do that. Throw it in there. When it sells, you know exactly, hey, that item's here. And then if it ain't there, then you're in trouble. Okay, so I told y'all wrong. My wife corrected me. So whenever you're doing it off your computer, it's gonna be right here. Just look for this custom label SKU, and that's where you're gonna put it in. Anything custom label or SKU, and then your buyers can't see this. Whenever they buy it, they can't see this. It's hidden. Only you can see it. So you can actually, I know people that'll actually put their buy cost into their listing. So say these Crown Royal bags, say if I paid $2 for them, I could just put $2 and then keep track of how much I have in them. That way, you can put whatever you want in this custom SKU field. Alrighty guys and gals, so we got some stuff we want to show you we're giving away for our 500 subscriber giveaway. And we should have had it here sooner, but y'all blew us away, and I mean, we just flew right past 500 quick, fast, and in a hurry. So thank each and every one of you. I think we're up in 540 something now, but better late than never. So here's what we're gonna give away. First place, we're gonna do 2 giveaways. First and second first, because y'all were all first in our book. Oh. Anyhow, so first place is gonna get this random bag of jewelry, and there's all kind of stuff in here. I didn't try to put no crap in there, you know, but it's got some watches from Cincinnati Picker, some jewelry from Cincinnati Picker, and some jewelry from Cat the Nurse Flipper. And this weighs right at 3 pounds, so it's a 3-pound bag. And then we're gonna do, y'all look how, this is a mug. It showed up on my porch in that little styrofoam thing. They didn't even put it in the box. So this is gonna be for first place. You're gonna get the jewelry, and you're gonna get the mug. Y'all see that right there? Let's get her closer and have her turn it.
Let me know when it's good.
Turn it the other way. Like there you go. So that's the front of it. It's a big mug. And then the back of it there. Go back. Other way. Other way. Keep going. Right there. It says Redneck Resale. Howdy, howdy everybody.
This is a 15-ounce mug.
Yeah, it's a big one. So that's going to be the first place you're going to get the official, one-of-a-kind Redneck Resale mug and a 3-pound bag of jewelry. Second place, you're going to get 2 IKEA bags.
They're the big ones, not the little ones.
Brand new. And then you're going to get another one-of-a-kind Redneck Resale mug. This one is just kind of a full wraparound photo that we use a lot for. It's our cartoon picture of us in a shop here. White with black handle and black inside. See that there? That's just your standard size coffee mug there. But these are just 2 of a kind. There'll never be 2 other ones like these. So to enter to win, we're going to do 2 drawings. To enter to win, all you got to do is put
500.
Put down in the comments, put 500 somewhere in the comments. Okay? So 500, 500. And then on Sunday, when we do our live show, okay? On Sunday, we're gonna do a live giveaway for them 2 items. We're gonna go on do a screen share, do the random comment picker all live. We're gonna do it twice, first and second. Leave us a comment on this video today, 500 in the comments. You'll be entered to win.
I'm winning.
Also, if you haven't, make sure to subscribe and to like the video.
Also hit the notification bell.
I
so
mean,
you can keep
truthfully,
up with
we
everything.
have no idea if you subscribed or hit the like, so that's not really a requirement. That's just us asking you. Just leave us a comment, 500, and you're going to be entered to win. So Sunday at our 1 p.m. live show, we're going to be doing a 1 p.m. Central. We're going to be doing the drawing, the giveaway, so y'all come hang out with us. We thank each and every one of you from the bottom of our hearts, and we can't believe we are at 500. We are actually past 500. Let me see what we're at. 544 subscribers. Each and every one of you are awesome. We appreciate it. We love making content for you guys and gals, and we love the. Hopefully y'all are enjoying it,
And hopefully you like the giveaways.
yeah, hopefully you do. Like I say, once you win, you're gonna be the only ones with
Those cups.
redneck resale mugs. I ain't even got one.
And they are both unique, so nobody has the same.
Alrighty, guys and gals. So you ain't gonna believe this. Yesterday, I got this little mailer at the house, and I thought, what did I order? Better yet, what did my wife order? She said she didn't order anything, and I'm pretty sure there's no note in here, but I'm 99% sure this is from Larry's Treasures. So we sure do appreciate it. He asked last week. He said he had something for the shop. So thank you so much for this. Y'all ready to see it? Y'all ain't gonna believe what it is. Let me turn around so y'all can't see. I didn't open it because I was excited yesterday. We're gonna show it to you. Check this out. Roll Tide. That's an Alabama picture frame. We're gonna put this, set it right up here as soon as she gets finished with that picture, and I'll show you the finished product. We're gonna set it right up there. Man, I appreciate that. I bleed crimson, as y'all know. We love Alabama. And, I mean, you know, whenever you go undefeated just about every year, there's nothing to hate. So, thank you again for that, man. We do appreciate it. It means a lot to us. You'll see it in every video from here out with probably our daughter's pictures in it, right?
I don't know yet.
She's working on the pictures for it, but we're going to get something in there. So, thanks a lot. I appreciate it. Alrighty, so we just had trying to get internet here. The internet guy was out here. And we have to use satellite internet here, and oh boy, couldn't get it hooked up. He got everything hooked up, and y'all can see our satellite dish up there, way up there for the internet. And if y'all look right there, see that tree? I can't get the internet because of that tree right there. And the horrible thing with it is, you see that fence right there? That's a property line, okay? Right there's the post office. I can almost guarantee you the post office, the government place, ain't gonna cut that tree for me.
Isn't it illegal to harvest a tree from public land?
It's a federal crime.
Oh, yeah. Keep an eye out for rangers!
I'm gonna be the only online reseller with absolutely no online capability. We've been running off a hotspot on our phone for now, but we're gonna have to figure something out. Just so y'all know the struggles being a reseller. Alrighty, guys and gals, so that's gonna do it for this video. Hopefully y'all enjoyed it, and don't forget to leave a comment on this video for the giveaway, 500.
Yep.
So another thing, y'all check this out. I'm gonna put this comment right up in here somewhere, hopefully. Y'all read that. That guy said, is this his real voice? I ain't no Larry the Cable Guy faking it. It's just how I talk. Don't know what else to take you. It says maybe I should start an ASMR storytelling YouTube.
I don't know about that.
I can tell some stories.
Appropriate stories?
Just some stories. Like how I want to pour some gas on this tree over here and light it a fire.
We'll likely never get that tree down.
Probably not.
Because we are in the
I got
James.
another quote for some some internet through another company, and they said if I want to pay $750,000 for the cable to be ran here, they would be more than happy to get us service. I said, yeah, I bet you would.
They gonna sign away their rights and half their stock?
We'd be buying just about all of it. But nonetheless, we'll get internet one day somehow, some way. Don't know how yet. We'll figure it out. I could probably get me a big old pole, 50-foot pole, and just go straight off the roof with it and get above that tree. Stupid satellites. I don't know. Figure that out later. Still raining. We got some listings done. Well, she got some listings done.
Guess what? All the LuLaRoe is listed. All of it is out of the bag.
That's good. It's good. You got more patience than I got.
I was just knocking it out.
But anyhow, y'all don't forget to leave a comment on this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe.
And make sure you put 500 in your comment.
Right.
Or just do another random comment with 500.
Right. And make sure you subscribe and
Hit the notification bell so you know when we're going to do the drawing.
hit that thumbs up button for us. It'd greatly appreciate it. And we will see you guys and gals tomorrow.
Bye, y'all.